Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the new Plant Pantry event in Plants vs Brainrots. It's actually super simple. You just need to submit the plant that the chef wants, Chef Chubbeloni. And if you've completed everything, you'll get a size potion, a Kanonoki seed, and a Chef Chubbeloni brainrot. And new plant is always in 1 minute, so make sure you have a lot of plants. Right now it's asking for the carnivorous plant, and you're just going to give, and as you can see, it's going to up the percentage. You'll also get like mini rewards here, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Really, it's like super simple to understand. It's annoying though how the new plant is in every like 1 minute, so it's super fast. I don't know if it's just because right now I'm in the like admin abuse or what, but it's fast. So make sure you do plant a lot of these plants. I feel like sometimes you're going to need to submit like secret plants, which is annoying, but what's next after this? Let's see, grape, okay. Maybe not, so I'm just going to submit my grape. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, the mutation machine is here to stay, which I'm so thankful for because it's actually my favorite like part of this game is mutating it. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!